Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to change display name in Snapchat. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Snapchat. Now go to your account. Press on settings and click on name. So from here you can change your display name. After changing your display name, you have to press your save. That's it. So this is how to change display name in Snapchat. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.